I designed the layout this way to split different types of information, making it easy to focus on one section at a time. This helps prevent overwhelming users with too much information at once. I choose a calm color for the background of the panels. This makes the interface feel inviting and professional. The table has a slightly different color to make it stand out for easy reading. The action buttons like Add, Update, Delete, and Clear are lined up on the right side. This common setup lets users fill out the form first and then easily find the buttons when they're ready to take action. When you are done saving your information, there's a table for displaying student records below the form, inside the scrollable area. This is helpful for showing many records without making the form feel cramped. In updating and deleting a student record, you need to select the student record from the table, enable to update or delete it. Once you are done in saving your student records, the database will automatically update itself, displaying the added or updated student records.